Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. A little change of scenery for a change, you know? I got this in the mail the other day. It's a $29.99 Reflex red dot sight. The manufacturer contacted me and says if I'd like to try it. Hey, I'll try anything just to see how it is. This is my AR-9 from Moriarty Arms, okay? This weapon is my personal self-defense weapon. 9mm AR platform. It does have a laser with LED light and switch on it. And it's for a close quarter battle. Some CQB. I like it a lot. It's very accurate. The FFP LPVO 1:6. It's a little bit much for a close quarter battle weapon, right? But basically, I think that this laser does the job. Fast acquisition of target, and the green dot or red dot is right on there, so you can probably pluck whoever you want to take out really quickly. So when I kind of hesitated on the 1:6, right? It's great for the range and for fun shooting targets and stuff. But in terms of close quarter, can you really acquire it that fast? Faster than a red dot? I'm not sure if you can. Because sometimes, you know, with these LPVOs, you got to actually really find it. You know, it takes you like 5 seconds just to place your cheek at the right distance, you know. And sometimes you can't see it all that quick, you know. So this platform over here has a little Picatinny rail right there and in the back. I'm going to put this reflex sight on it and see if I can acquire a target faster like a red dot. So this is the RS208 reflex sight. I got it on Amazon for $29.99 with free shipping. Has a cleaning cloth, user manual. It's got a CR2032, yeah, you know, quarter size battery, and 2 hex tools. Comes just like that. I believe these are designed for airsoft guns, but they claim that this will hold 0 on real guns too. We shall see. I'm just unboxing this for you today, guys, to let you know what it looks like and how it mounts. But in terms of actually seeing if it holds 0 or not, I'll be taking this to the range and shooting it all day, or using it to shoot all day, and then we'll figure out whether or not it holds 0 or not. But it looks okay. A lot of manufacturers make this. I've seen the exact same one with different labeling on it. It's made in China for sure. It has different types of reticles. And we'll just put the battery in. I believe it goes in here. Need a quarter to take that cover off. Black. And let's open one. Oh, plus. Okay, so I put the battery in. You can select between the dot, move this lever in the back, to circle with the dot in it, to a plus sign, to a plus sign in a circle with a dot in it. So it has 4 different reticles. Over here you would adjust the intensity of the light, red or green, and its intensity. So we'll just go with the green dot for now. Okay, so I got a little problem. You can't mount it on here because you can't adjust the 1:6. You can't place it there because the back of it hits the elevation knob. I can't put it over here because it blocks my scope. And I already have too much crap on here so that you can't see it. So guess what? I can't mount this on this weapon. And if you think I'm going to remove this and ruin my Zero to try that, you're crazy. Okay, so I finally decided I'm going to put it right there. Kind of gets in the way of this, but I moved it forward a little bit so I could still turn it. But I'm not going to mess with this anyway because this scope is sighted in. My laser light is coincided with the sighting in of the LVPO. They're both identical. The dot on this matches the dot on that. Okay, so it's right on it. So all I had to do was aim this at the dots. Get it? So now it took me a while, but I sighted this in without going to the range. How about that, huh? Basically, if you press this button, the laser light will display the dot. It matches with this dot, and now it matches with this dot. This is opposite. If you want to move the right and left, it's not right and left. It says turn it this way for right. It actually is the opposite. And the up, both of them, you could turn them multiple times. Like I think I might have turned the top one like 20 times. So it's not accurate. And it's so easy to turn too. Like you can use this thing and go back and forth, back and forth. All right. So this will definitely not hold Zero for sure. And turning it on, you can change the intensity of it and the color, but it's not smooth. There's a lot of resistance. It also feels like metal scraping. So I totally do not like it. But honestly, I guess it would be okay for Airsoft. You know what I mean? But I'm not even going to take it to the range because you could just tap it and it goes out of Zero. See? It's off now already, just from tapping it. So it's no good. Well, you get what you pay for, fellas. And it's kind of hard to turn it off. You know, you have to put your hand over it and turn it. Yep, that's it. Okay, you see the dot? Okay, I just tapped it with my hands, right? Let's press the laser and see where it is. The green laser is no longer centered where the red dot is. So just from tapping with my fingers, it's out of Zero. And I knew that would happen. So given my whole purpose of getting a red dot is for close quarter combat, right? Fast acquisition. Well, how fast is the acquisition if you have to fumble around in the dark when you hear boom, right? And try to find the dial to turn it on. It's not like the 6-hour Romeo 5 where any movement will turn it on. You just pick up your rifle, boom, it's already on. I kind of wish I didn't get rid of my 6-hour Romeo 5. But anyway, that's it. Close quarter combat. This is just fine the way it is because if I hear bump in the night, grab my rifle, the laser is always working. And you see the laser from far away. You don't have to aim. You know what I mean? So that's why I believe that the laser is the most best choice for CQB. That's my opinion. A nice red dot that's always on, or at least from movement, is also a good choice. But with the LPVO, while it is 1 to 6, you can set it to 1. But finding the circle, all right, well, I found it right there. That was pretty easy. But with the laser, you don't even have to look through it. You could just find the laser where it is, boom, and fire. You know what I mean? You can do it from your hip, for goodness sakes, wherever that green dot is. So I think the laser light's the best. Anyway, that's my review of the very economical $29.99 designed for Airsoft. I guess it would be fine for Airsoft, but if your life depended on it to be accurate, This is not accurate at all. At least not for real rifles. You know what I mean? So thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to try it. It's just not something that is reliable. It's cheap quality, and you get what you pay for. You know, $29.99. It'd be fun for plastic airsoft guns. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on today's product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.